Chintan Upadhyay was born 1972 Partapur, Rajasthan. He received Faculty of Fine Arts BFA in 1995 and MFA in 1997 in M.S.U Baroda, Gujarat. He became versed in the styles of abstract expressionism through the influence of his father, himself a teacher at the Jaipur School of Art and member of the Takhman 28 group. But Upadhyay resisted the easy assimilation of these influences, leaving the Jaipur School of Art to continue his studies in Baroda. Painter Chintan Upadhyay resists viewing his work in evolutionary terms, preferring to regard the creation of each work as an independent event proceeding according to its idiosyncratic requirements. He has resisted easy definition from the start.